In this video, I will show you how to make the waistcoat stitch correctly. Most crocheters do it incorrectly, and that's because most tutorials teach it incorrectly. I myself used to do it wrong, but today I will show you the right way to do it. The waistcoat stitch is usually done in the round, though it is possible to make it in the row as well, and perhaps in the future I'll make that tutorial. This sample right here shows the wrong way of making the waistcoat stitch. You can see that the stitches are not straight, they are tilted. This sample shows the correct way of making this stitch. You can see that the stitches are straight. Now let me show you the difference in crocheting these two. The idea of the waistcoat stitch is that the hook is inserted not under two loops on the top, which are often referred as the V, but the hook is inserted straight into the stitch itself, into the center of the stitch, right here. But let's take a look first at how single crochet looks like on the back. You can see that it has a leg and another leg and a head. To me, it kind of looks like the Greek letter pi, a leg, and a head. When making the stitch, most crocheters insert the hook correctly. However, they don't pay attention to where the hook comes out on the back side. And as we can see, it comes out in between those two legs and under the head. Okay, so if we make the stitch this way, this is what we're gonna get, the stitches that are tilted to the left. The correct way to make the stitch is to insert the hook on the front, but to have it come out on the back under the head, but before those two legs. So kind of to the side of those two legs. And if you look from the back side, it's gonna be to the left side of two legs. And then you complete your stitch. I'll show it again. You insert the hook in the front, but you have it come out to the side or in front of the two legs of the single crochet, under the head. And when you crochet this way, the stitches are gonna be straightly aligned one on top of the other. At first you might find it difficult crocheting this way, and you might have to check constantly on the back of your work to see where the hook is coming out. However, as you start practicing crocheting this way, it's gonna become much easier and it's going to become quite intuitive.